Yo, what beach is this again? Check home? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did.
One day you could be as lost as me. Change your geography. Maybe you might be.
Here we are. Can't believe that's on
Knee deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. Come on in, the water's nice. Buy yourself a lip slice. Grab a backpack and lunch. You never know until you try.
Oh, dude, yo, let's rock King of the Hill with those guys. Like, we're older.
Paradise.
Oh, you guys are. Dude, I don't even care about those, man. It's just we have both. This is so nice. Hong Kong is so nice. Cindy, are you gonna get tan today?
You ever watch a Dream Manifest? Dream Manifest? Dream Manifest?
Real life.
No.
Snuffing like, snuffing like, snuffing like.
Okay. What's up, girl?
My niggas there? Yeah. Is there some bitches there? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is that the rock there?
Is that the house right there?
Well, let's go.
Yo, is that the house? It's like way on, right?
I call that my VIP. Fuck a bad bitch, get some hair.
Hey, yo, you wanna go in?